right, our first one comes from Malik King. This is a VIP Facebook member. Can your parents send you to your native country for a long time and make you come back to the USA without a problem?
Your parents can send you wherever you want because you're not unless you are emancipated. If you turn 18, you're an adult, you're emancipated, you can return to the United States because you can't abandon your residence as a child. Now the issue may become that your parents didn't give you back your green card. And if they didn't, then as soon as you turn 18, you go to the U.S. Embassy in the country where you're at, say, my parents sent me home, I'm now emancipated, they didn't give me back my green card, I'm a lawful resident, I want to come back to America. What do? And they'll give you what's called an SB1 visa, and you can come back, and then when you come back, you get your green card back, you apply for it again.
Okay, Esiogene Iabovo on YouTube. My case was dismissed without prejudice in court with an agreement with the prosecutor signed by a judge. Can I travel with advance parole?
Which case? Is this an immigration judge?
Just says my case was dismissed without prejudice in court with an agreement with the prosecutor signed by a judge. So we don't know.
Dismissed. Well, it sounds like your criminal. If it's a criminal case, dismissed. You don't have any other. Go travel. If it's an immigration, sounds like you were in deportation. They terminated it. Travel.
Okay, Aggie Blessed on YouTube. What is the plan for people who came into the USA after 2011?
So on a case-by-case basis, we gotta figure it out case by case.
Okay, Phil's Kend on YouTube. My best friend wants to renew their work authorization permit pending asylum. Is there going to be a problem with the misdemeanor for driving with expired tags?
No.
Jacinta Tudor on YouTube. Is N600 a good form for my son? He came when he was 17. I just became a citizen, but he's now 20 years old.
No, he has to do naturalization when he's 22, 5 years after he got his green card.
God is merciful on YouTube. I just received my 10-year green card through marriage. My husband refused to sponsor my 19-year-old child, his stepdaughter. Can I file for her, and how long will it take? She is here.
Yes, you can file for her, but it's going to take about 5-7 years to go, and she would have to go back home because she's going to end up aging out. Now, if she's 19 years old and she's not emancipated yet, and then perhaps a special immigrant juvenile, because you can do that up until 21 if you can show it's not in your child's best interests to be reunited with the biological father. I don't know what the situation is with the father, though.
Peter Yearwood on YouTube. I've been a victim of a crime. I filed papers through Catholic organization. It's been almost 3 years now. What can I do going forward?
Request a work permit based on a bona fide U visa application.
Lenny Williams on YouTube. Did my interview a year ago. Got approved on the spot for adjustment of status through marriage to a U.S. citizen. I still haven't gotten a response. The case was reopened. What do I do now?
Well, if you got approved on the spot, you get a response. Perhaps you didn't get approved on the spot. Perhaps you were mistaken. Sounds like we need to delve into this more.
March Higgs on Facebook. My friend's EAD expired. She filed for a new one. It's 1 year and 8 months and she's not heard or received it. She refiled a couple months ago and got her receipt letter and nothing else. What can she do?
Wait, what happened?
My friend's EAD expired and she filed for a new one. It is 1 year and 8 months and she's not heard or received it.
Well, then there's a problem with that work permit renewal or her application.
And she refiled a couple months ago, got a receipt letter and nothing else.
Yeah, there's a problem. She'll get a receipt notice every time you file. That doesn't mean you're going to get approved. There's a problem with her case somewhere. She needs to see somebody.
All right, last one. Loretta Williams on YouTube. I'm an F1 visa in the state and also have a pending VAWA case. My question is, I'm still on F1 visa. I am still attending school.
I would file an adjustment, even though you have a pending VAWA, and forget about your student visa. You can go to school on adjustment. You can do whatever you want on the adjustment. Get a work permit. I'd be filing an adjustment with the VAWA. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.